Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so you can see that now Bitcoin is dropping quite a lot. So I feel a little bit cheating here, but unfortunately, I need to say that more likely this was the third wave, which I already mentioned before, right? This could have been a possibility, and so that this is the fourth wave, and this was the fifth wave, and we're not invalidating anything for the moment. We're just realigning things. Just want to show you how that does make sense. And you see, once again, it's very good to understand Fibonacci and Elliott waves, because it really changed the game, because you understand now what's happening and how to rechange your count and say, okay, now this count doesn't work anymore. It's getting invalidated. You can see that now we're live and price is dropping like crazy. So 1, 2, 3, we would have made just barely, not even a better, better minimum for the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave was here. So now I'm going to take out this, and then I'm going to say that so the C wave is finished, and the third wave is complete. And now what we're seeing here is the fourth wave. So nothing got invalidated. And that was micro counting. I always keep saying, micro counting is going to change a lot. So always take it with a pinch of salt. So now I'm estimating this fourth wave fib retracement. Because all this is a diagonal, I need to go and do some changement. No, first of all, I'm going to take the blue count, because this is the blue count. You can see that we're, and that's crazy, because we could I don't want to say we're already finished the correction for this fourth wave, but it could be possible. I feel taking out also the 0.3. I don't think anyway we are below that level. So reaching pretty much sure that we should get to the $100 to $537 level. And this could be an A, a B, and a C. So I'm going to put it down here. And this is once again for the correction for this fourth wave. Let me put it more on the side. And here. Okay, so let's do the maths now. Let me maybe enlarge a little bit so it's easier and also more precise. There you go. Okay. So I'll take my fib extensions from the A, and then add it to the B. You can see that we already, well, let's see if things change. I'm going to put it on the left side. So you can see the levels, the 1-to-1 ratio already overextended. Let's see, 1.3, 1.6. Okay, I'm gonna take out the 1.2 now. Most of the time, it's not unusual that a wave C, if it goes below the 1-to-1 ratio, it cannot reach the 1.618. Well, now it's a little bit premature to say, oh look, he really reacted to the 1.36. Yes, it is, but it's still working on it, so never know. Maybe it's going to go lower. And yeah, well, as I said, often it does go lower, so not freaking out for the moment. It was kind of expected, especially that I did tell you maybe this is the third wave, even though you see it is tricky, because actually, if we go back a little bit, this was the trend of the third wave, and we have an A, a B, and a C. We did reach the 1.618 almost, so this was okay. But once again, he could have made an extension, and that was also right. And not trying to explain myself but it is important to use the tools and readjust yourself when you see that the chart doesn't add up. So now this is my level that I can check. If we go below the 0.618, then I'm going to scrap out also this more bullish count for the up, or for the bullish count, and I'm going to stick with this bigger, deeper second wave. And once again, I don't want to be the pain in the ass, but let me go back here. I think this chart was better, was it? Not sure. Anyway, I was saying this was the A, all this is the B, and now this could be, an A, a B. This could be A, B, C for the A. This is the B. And now this could be the real one. Could it be that, this maybe it's still a 1, then we're going to make a 2, and then a 3, a 4, and a 5, and this is how we go and reach the high level of the 80s. Or this is already the 1, 2, and we're actually having the third wave now, and then we're going to have the 4 and the 5th. And so this also is possible because we did the higher high, so we can count this as a high B wave. All right, so pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish, I'm just realistic. And a good way to lose money is to be too bullish or too bearish, and we need to actually be neutral. So I'm looking at both. I'm looking at levels. Definitely, if we want to discount to still be bullish, we need price to not go, definitely not below 101k or 100k. Yeah, there is place for a little bit of a momentarily slippage, but nothing more than that. And after that, we need to have a fifth wave. If we don't, well, I'm going to stick again with my more bearish count short term, and we're going to reach lower levels. Also, let's not forget that we can still go lower and not invalidate this bull count here on the light blue. We had so much room to go left, right? Up to 93, 343. It's okay. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.